Hey traders, this is Taylor Horton from Simpler Trading, and in today's video I want to show you how to set up credit spreads on the TastyWorks platform. So moving forward here, we're going to have a lot more content on the TastyWorks platform. Reason being is you finally got good looking charts here. So it's always been a great platform for option strategies. It's easy to use, it's all really straightforward and simple, but the charts have always been a little bit lacking. But as you can see here, we're in business. We got the squeeze, we got the stacked DMAs, got the Keltner channels, my favorite things. So expect more TastyWorks content out of me here moving forward. But in terms of doing the put credit spread, for conversation's sake, good looking daily trend here for the stock AFRM, AFRM. Good looking daily trend, good looking 2-hour squeeze. Get the positive histogram, got the stacked DMAs. We're rocking and rolling here. So let's say we want to sell a put credit spread here. You're going to go to the trade tab. And here's our options chain. So let's give it, we'll go to November 5th expiration. Now, unlike a thinkorswim, for example, on thinkorswim you have to left click, go through a bunch of options, or you got to hold down the control key. TastyWorks is nice and simple. So you're going to go to the put you want to sell. And remember, with a put credit spread, we're looking to sell a put, typically an out the money put, and then we're going to buy a further out the money put, a cheaper one as protection. So let's say we want to sell the 148 put. You're going to simply go to the bid column or the sell column and click on that bad boy. Let's go $3 wide. We're going to buy a 145 put as protection. So you go to your ask column or the bid column. You click on that. And now you got your put credit spread here. You got the 148 short put, you got the 145 long put, and the spread's going for about $1.15 of credit at the mid, which is typically where you're trying to work those fills. And if you glance right here, you can see max profit per contract is $115, and max loss here is about $185. All straightforward. Now, let's say instead of a put credit spread, we want to do a call credit spread. So we're looking to short something. Now we're going to be bold here. Let's look to short the QQQ. So look at that chart going. All right, there we go. So here's a chart of the Qs. Let's go to a daily chart, why don't we? Alright, so here's your daily chart. You're up here at +2 ATR, big low volume push. So we're going to do a call credit spread. So you hit the trade tab, get your options chain here. I already got the QQQ. Again, let's go to November 5th expiration. Given this a good 2 weeks or so, and say we want to sell the 377. So for these call credit spreads, it's the opposite of a put credit spread. We're going to sell an out-the-money call, and then we're going to buy a further, cheaper out-the-money call as protection. So if we're going to sell the 377, you come to the bid column here, click on the 377. We'll go $2 wide. So we'll buy the 379 here as protection. So you go to the buy column. And if you glance over here to the left, you can see you got -1 of the 377 short call, and then +1 of your 378 protection call. And you know what? Let's just click here. Right? So if you click down and hold and drag, you can change that. You can change a long strike. So we'll go 377, 379, and at the midpoint, you're getting about 80 cents of credit here, and you can see you're risking $120 to make just about 80. So really straightforward. If you're not happy with that risk reward, maybe you want to go a little bit closer to the money. So you click and drag the 377 short strike up to 375. Click and drag that 379, maybe to 377. Now we're getting 97 cents of credit, just about a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Maybe you're a little bit like me, you want to lean into the probabilistic side of things. So maybe we're going to buy a 383 and sell the 381. Only 45 cents of credit, more of a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. But see how easy that is? Now, maybe I want to flip and now I'm bullish on the Qs. So I hit the clear tab. Maybe I'll sell my 370, maybe I'll buy my 368. But see how easy it is to work the platform here and how quickly you can choose your long strikes, your short strikes, analyze risk-reward, and get that trade out there? Love the platform. And now that you finally got some good-looking charts, and most importantly to me, got the indicators I need to run my business. Get the squeeze on here, you got the stacked DMAs, got the Keltner channels. If you're not happy with the current platform, I think you give TastyWorks a test drive here, and be on the lookout for more videos from me on this platform. But I hope that helps in terms of how to quickly set up put credit spreads or call credit spreads on the TastyWorks platform, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video.